Good morning, dear student. Today I will teach you class 8th science, chapter 1st, crop production and management. Every student, first of all, we know crops production and plants need food for their growth and survivals. All living organisms like man, animals and plant need food for their growth and survivals. The green plant can synthesize their food by the process of photosynthesis by using inorganic substance like carbon dioxide, gas and water in the presence of sunlight energy. Man obtained his food from plant as well as animals. That means we can say that, in other words, man has to grow plant and reared animals to meet his requirement of food. First of all, we discussed crop. When the same kinds of plant are grown in the fields on a large scale to obtain food like cereals, means wheat, rice and maize. That means in comes group of cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, etc. is called crops. For examples, that means a crop of wheat. That means you see in this diagram, in these figures, the wheat crop in field in large amount. All the plants grown in the field that of wheat you see in this diagram is called fasal. In Hindi is called fasal. Crop are grown in the soil in the fields by farmer, means kisan, and there are a lot of example of crops as like cereals crop, means completely are found wheat, paddy, rice, maize, millet, bajra, jowar, barley. That means all is green plant. And pulses like gram, chana, pea, bean, oil seed like plant mustard, groundnut, sunflower, vegetables like tomato, cabbage, spinach, fruit like banana, grape, guava, mango, orange, apple, etc. are a variety of crops grown in different of parts of country. Despite the diversity to broad cropping pattern can be identified. These are two types. First is kharif crop and second is rabi crop. Kharif crop, the crops which are sown in rainy season, are called kharif crop. The rainy season in India is generally from June to September. That means it start now at this time. Paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut, cotton and kharif crop. Rabi crop, the crop grown in the winter season, it start with October to March, are called Rabi crop. For example of Rabi crops are wheat, gram, pea, mustard and linseed. Besides these, pulses and vegetables are grown during summer and rainy summer at many places. And we discussed basic practices of crops for production, as like why we cannot be grown in winter season. Paddy, that means paddy required a lot of water, therefore it grown only in rainy seasons. That means cultivation of crop involves several activities undertaken by farmer over the period of time. You may find that these activities are similar to those carried out by a gardener or even by you, which you by grow to ornamental plants in your houses. These activities of tasks are referred. There are different types of agricultural practices which are listed below. First is preparation of soil, and second sowing, adding manure and fertilizer, and fourth irrigation, protecting for weeds, harvesting, storage. Thank you.